Yeah, I got sauce, Tabasco. Yeah, I be buzzing up tobacco. I need a new phone, need a landline. My phone going off all the damn time. My shit coming raised like a tan line. My shit making waves like a damn tide. I don't ever surf, but I still ride. I don't ever slip, but I still slide. First place, we the MVP. You run it back like an MP3. This is the place to be. Would you really ride for me? What you say? What you say? Hey mommy, what you say? Hey mommy, say what you say? She my margarita, la la la. My loco señorita, la la la. She my margarita, la la la. My loco señorita, la la la. Yeah, she calling me daddy, no biggie. She got a fat ass like Iggy, so I took a shot, got starstruck. Yeah, I got addicted like Starbucks. I only beat it up when my song play. Yeah, she like it tall like a granddad. This shit cold, we know, and that shit hot, fuego. My shit bang, Draco. We all about game.
Yo! It's raining, man. I don't have a front brake. It wasn't working, so I tried renovating it and it totally failed. So I was like, let's order a new one. That's what I did basically. Kidding me? Go, go! Oh no, my kickstand is broken again. Actually used to work at that supermarket back there. And now we will do some wheelies with my backpack on. Try not to stretch. That's what we call kopplingstump in Sweden. Yes, not very good wheelies. There's a couple of stairs on the back of the school that I want to try. Well, now it stopped raining, so it's probably fine. We can do some enduro riding. We go here. It's a pin on the mark. But if you have any wheelie tips for me, please leave them down below in the comments, so I'll be able to, you know, progress and learn. Now it sounds like a race bike.
Hey mommy, what you say? Hey mommy, say what you say? She my margarita, la la la. My loco señorita, la la la. She my margarita, la la la. My loco señorita, la la la. Yeah, she calling me daddy, no biggie. She got a fat ass like Iggy, so I took a shot, got starstruck. Yeah, I got addicted like Starbucks. I only beat it up when my song play. Yeah, she like it tall like a granddad. This shit cold, we know.